Thank you. Our legal panel standing by. Brock Laurie is an attorney as well as Dwane Cates. So we're going to check in with them, get their thoughts on what we've heard from this really key testimony, right? Because we've established that it was Hallie Biden who was having the romantic relationship with Hunter during this time, right? We'd heard from the ex-girlfriend, the ex-wife. That was prior to when the gun was purchased. But now we're really around the time that he went to that gun shop. And we're also learning about what she had done with the gun, too, talking about how she herself was introduced to crack cocaine during this time, how she regrets it, she's embarrassed by it. But Barack, is this witness for the prosecution helpful in establishing Hunter's drug use when purchasing the gun?
Well, it's definitely helpful. I mean, she's clearly making it apparent that he was on drugs at the time, and that this is a big issue, that there's the relationship was being infested with drugs one way or the other. So what's shocking to me is how they don't really seem to deny that. I mean, the Hunter team doesn't seem to deny that he was taking drugs. I mean, I don't know how he can seriously argue that he was somehow sober. So it's just a very bizarre train wreck that's going on. The prosecution should be resting its case precisely because I think they established everything correctly. The forms were not faked. Nothing was faked. They tried to make that argument, and it was very clear that it was very authentic. The gun shop owner saw him actually initial everything right there, saying that he was not on drugs at the time that he was purchasing the gun. So it's a very bizarre thing, but yes, this testimony was helpful, but I think it was just one mountain upon another in terms of evidence.
Dwane, what do you make of this? This is just breaking here. Hallie Biden said that she didn't tell Hunter Biden that she got rid of the gun, and then when she did make that reference that she did get rid of the gun, he got very angry about that. What does this say? And will the jury look at this, his state of mind? We do know about the drug use. I mean, she's already testified to that. But is there going to be a connection there? I mean, the defense's argument is he could have been sober when he purchased this gun, but I believe it was only a few days earlier. But around that time, Hunter was, it seems, according to Hallie, that he was heavily involved using drugs.
I mean, it's pretty clear that he was addicted and he was using drugs at the time. And also his claim that, well, I really didn't want a gun. I was kind of walking by and I got sucked into this store and this guy, hard sold and got me to buy this gun, and I really didn't want a gun, but I was forced to buy it. And, and now he's really upset that he doesn't have a gun anymore. So that kind of throws that whole argument out the window.
Okay. And again, we're learning about sort of the cross-reference here with an October 13th text about waiting to meet for that dealer named Mookie, and then also that October 14th text messages about how Hunter was sleeping on a car smoking crack. So again, these would have been the days that would have followed the gun purchase if these text messages are an accurate description of what was actually happening during that time. Barack and Dwane, thanks so much, guys, for coming on. We do appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.